Hello, friends. Welcome back to YouTube. And again, I've done a very interesting stock analysis. I call it as a 3D analysis, which basically means a three-dimensional analysis. I've purposely hidden the first few letters of the stock, and I would want that post the analysis. Once you see the three-dimensional analysis, I would want all of you guys to try and leave the comment on what is your expectation of what the name of the stock is. So it's an interesting set of analysis. I've done something very similar for the pharma index and posted it on Twitter almost a year and a half or back, where I've done a 3D analysis for the pharma index, indicating how that the pharma index could probably start bottoming it out on a long-term basis and going through a strong revival phase. So I've done a very similar kind of analysis for one of the metal stocks. Let's look at the three-dimensional analysis. The first part is on the monthly time frame. As you can see on the monthly charts, I have marked three grids. The upper grid is the prices, the middle grid is the volumes, and the lower grid, of course, is the indicator. So what we've looked at is that the last four attempts, whenever the stock has given the indicator has given a breakout, a bullish breakout, we've just mapped out the stock prices from there on, and we've looked at the historical comparisons that how the stock has started to move up. And as you can see this on the monthly charts, it started to trend the moment we've seen a bullish crossover into the stock price. Now the second was in 2009 somewhere, when this steel major yet again had given a strong breakout. It followed almost a 12-month uptrend even post the breakout, and the stock I think rallied from almost 290 levels to almost 750 plus. This was the third time when the stock had given such a kind of a breakout. This was again, in 2013 somewhere. Again, from here, the stock had rallied more than 100% or slightly less than 100% in again a matter of almost 1 year. This was the fourth time when you had seen this steel stock again giving you a bullish crossover over here, and the prices went to a strong upward dizzy of an uptrend. And this is the fourth time, as you can see. Now the reason why I have not pointed out the charts this time or the earlier time is because this time the indicator is extremely close towards giving such a kind of a breakout. So the importance and the timing of the breakout is going to be the key from here on. Now let's look at and assess that how the short-term time frame charts are looking at, and whether this breakout which we are anticipating on the monthly charts would get successful or not. So let's look at the weekly time frame. This is the weekly charts. As you can again see that the stock is forming a downward sloping channel pattern. This time around, the stock tried to retest the upper end of the channel pattern, had a mild retest, and look at the immediate scale pass, immediate pullback the stock has seen post the correction. So which means that there was a very sudden correction which happened into this steel major, and then from there you saw a mild bounce which is shaping up. So again, if the stock breaks this trend line, which could probably coincide with the monthly breakout on the indicator as well, you could the stock could probably lead to an extremely strong breakout on the monthly and the weekly chart. So that could probably have a double effect on the stock price. Now let's look at the third dimension, which is on the short-term time frame charts, and that is extremely interesting, which pans out. So this is a third dimension chart. I've just looked at the last 1.5 2 years from 2019 start, and what's very interesting is the breakout again on the indicator. So again, the same indicator which I have mapped, and on the daily time frame chart. Now as you can see on the daily time frame, whenever this indicator has given a breakout, this is the path which the stock has followed. Correct. What I've done is I'll just copy paste the path over here, this path over here, and I'll just copy paste the path and just map the same path over here. Can you see this? This is the accuracy of the stock price path, which is the key. So again, on the breakout, what happened over here was exactly similar to what happened over here. Look at the potential of targets, look at the curves, look at the intra trend rallies, or the major on the major rally you see these intra trend jerks which has happened, and both these trends apparently lasted for the same duration of time as well as the same extent of price rally, which is why the third breakout becomes all the more critical and important. So what could be possible is you might see, so we could probably be at this stage where you might probably see some bit of more rally, then a mild correction, and then this path, which can transpire for this metal major. So I hope you liked it. Again, interesting rhythmic price action. This is what we call as a rhythmic price action, when a price tends to follow a similar behavior on multiple time frames, is what we call as a rhythmic price action, where the price resonates the same trends on different time scale charts. So I believe, hope you like this chart pattern, and don't forget to guess the stock and comment about it. And of course, don't forget to like, share, follow, comment, and of course turn on the bell notification, because if you want more such interesting stocks and videos, then this is the one-stop destination. So thank you so much, guys, for your time and effort. And don't forget to like, subscribe, as well as turn on the notification button. And of course, most importantly, don't forget to write or guess the name of the stock. Thank you so much.